Look at all of these birdhouses. They're beautiful. You don't have to use them for birdhouses. Like something like this is super cute if you have a cottage or you're on the lake. You can just paint it or stain it. These are absolutely gorgeous. The thing is, they're a little bit pricey. They're not super reasonably priced for my liking, but they're super cute. Oh, I like this egg. It's very pretty. Now, Dollar Tree does have some wood die cut or cutouts like similar to these here. So just keep a lookout. Like this bunny here is quite similar to the one from Dollar Tree that I purchased. Oh my goodness. Almost $11. Definitely you need to use a coupon on that. That is so crazy expensive to me. And you still have to do the work and paint it. It's not even like it's finished. Okay, I'm going on a rant. I'll be quiet now. There's some really cute stuff here. I love these little lambs. I love the little lambs this year. They're so cute. This is so pretty. I really like how they finished off the moss. Oh, look at the little egg. It's like broken. I have to do that maybe with something from Dollar Tree. So cute. Oh, this jar reminds me of the one from Dollar Tree that they had out not too long ago. They were about the same size. Look at this, $21.99. Maybe I'll do a dupe of that as well. Look at the inspiration I'm getting today. This is neat because it's like almost like an acrylic finish on the front. It looks like glass. I feel like they have some new fairy garden houses compared to when I was here a few weeks back and filmed this for you, or am I just imagining things? They're very well done. So I'm not a big user of artificial plants in the house, but I must say that these are spot on. They look so realistic from a distance. Wow, $280. Oh my goodness. I'll just buy a ton of real plants. I always like looking at their molds because we make little charms with the modeling clay. So that it hardens and then the girls are able to paint them and stuff. So this is why I always take a peek and see if there's anything on sale or clearance. But there's some really cute little options. And I've been using the melts to make cake pops lately too. This looks like fun. It's kind of already pre-done and you just fill in. So I was looking for something kind of similar from Dollarama, an inspirational journal, and didn't have much luck, but I know now Michael's has something a little more expensive, of course. Oh, this is the one I just pulled out that inspired me to start creating a pocket letter. I hope I have some time to film that soon and sit down. I'll be with that booklet there. Well, some of the pages will be. I never paid attention, but they have these hot buy items. So I've been on the hunt for gems and I just thought, well, I better take a look here. But I bought a package identical to this at Dollarama not too long ago. Actually, they were not as bright colored, more like this, exactly like this one here, for $4. $4. Here they are for $15. So it looks like the spring colors are pastels this year. Is that what vibe I'm getting from this display here? Oh yeah, unless it's like a spring Easter, but I don't know. Oh, look at this. You can make something like this with Dollar Tree rose petals too. $18.99 for a placemat. Is it just me? My goodness, we don't typically see grab bags at this store, so I'm super excited to see that these things are 90% off. This would be cute even if you spray painted it and used it as like a farmhouse tray or something, but they're plastic or melamine, whatever you want to call it. But if they were metal or glass, that would have been nice. Ooh, some ribbon. This one's cute. It's got little heart shapes. I think I'm gonna grab this one. I always like unique pieces to add to my collection. Oh my, what happened to this poor heart? It's missing its sides. Foam This stuff is always great for girl guides. Just taking a look at what we could possibly use. Oh, these are cute. I'm gonna have to take a peek at this stuff here. I may have to put my camera down afterwards so I can use two hands to look at these. Oh, this is very glam. And it's glass. How beautiful. I hope you enjoyed walking through Michael's with me today. Until next time, everyone, have a wonderful day. Bye for now.